We should never be recording the first swing of the day.
Close.
This hole's called the Devil's Anus.
Scared the shit out of me. Campione, folks.
This is El Campione, folks. Father's warming up. We got a beautiful view.
It
feels like it's probably going to snow here in about 10 minutes.
Yes.
But, yeah, this is the coldest I've ever been in Florida.
A little chilly, folks.
But here we are, folks. Oh, boy. Oh, I didn't see all this.
Looking over there, Broseph.
Oh, no.
Do you have it?
Folks,
It might be a little chilly
that's
for
what
him
we
today.
call close.
All right, so we know it's going to leak right. We just don't want it to leak too far right.
What's our idea here? Does it kind of curve left?
Yeah, you had that draw. Yeah, you had that draw working yesterday.
In theory.
That's it. That's money. Look, it's drawing too.
There was a lady using the men's room, folks.
Scared the shit out of me.
I thought I was in the wrong restaurant for a minute. And I was like, wait a minute, I'm not in the wrong restaurant. She is.
Yeah.
This hole's called the Devil's Anus.
Bruce is about to take a shot.
There you go.
Oh, there's a rope. Look at that. Look, that's where it's like somebody cut it. Somebody tried to cut it. What was that? Was I not supposed to go there? We're good. We're clear. My round's over, folks. We're going back home.
We're going to show you what we did here on a par 3. Although I did take a breakfast ball. Not going to lie. I can cheat myself. So this wasn't my first shot. This is the look. Nice shot, Father.
We have made it to the 18th hole. Another successful trip.
Yeah.
Another successful trip, folks.